Welcome back to the Improvement Channel. Today I'm going to show you how I built this 4x8 simple but heavy duty welding table. I say simple because I only had a couple components that built the most of this table, and that was this 1.5 by 3 inch tubing and this 3 by 3 tubing, of course the top. There are a few simple things like caps and casters, but don't worry, I'm going to go over all of that and I'll have a complete list in the description. For all of my subscribers out there, this may look familiar. I've thrown some paint on the table, but I built this table a couple of years ago, so I've had a lot of time to use it. I've built several projects on it. I've gotten a lot of comments on this build. We're going to go over a few of those during the video, and I'm also going to voice over some of the things that during the build, some things that I might have done a little different.
You know, I'm thinking about throwing a piece of plywood on it or something like that. Just wanted to see if you guys had any good ideas on that end. The community is so helpful on
comments. I read all the comments and I reply to all comments. So look forward to that. I want to know what you guys would do with this bottom shelf. I've got a few other ideas that I'm going to do with the table that will be in upcoming videos. I've got some large projects that's coming up. So look forward to seeing you guys on that. We'll catch you on the next one.